So welcome to the estimation class. In this module, you can see that the operation of the milling machine and the problems on the milling machine. Milling is the operation of removing the material from a surface by means of rotating cutter called a milling cutter. Some of the various milling operations, the plane milling for producing the flat parallel to the axis of the cutter, face milling for producing the flat surface at the right angle to the axis of the cutter, angular milling for producing the flat surface at an inclined to the axis of the cutter. The fluid milling for producing the fluids or the grooves, and from horn milling or producing the irregular surfaces. The time taken for one cut, all the milling operations, that is the length of the cut divided by RPM into feet per revolution. So the N equals to 100 into S divided by pi d. Here L equals to the length of the cut equals to length of the job plus added table traveled. The approach and overrun combined together are called as a added table travel. That is feed per revolution is nothing but a feed per tooth into number of teeth. So the time taken for one cut equals to length of the job plus added table travel divided by feed per tooth into number of teeth into RPM. So the total table travel divided by table feed per minute, table feed per minute, then approach and overrun, that is. Approach is the distance over which the cutter must be engaged before the full depth of the cut is reached, so that the cutter may be clear the work, or the overrun is added into the length of the job. Approach and overrun combined together is known as the added table travel, that is. So added table travel is taken as A equals to approach length, then D is equals to diameter of the cutter, and D is the depth of cut. Then from the triangle ABC, that is BC equals to OC square minus OB square. So approach length A is equals to D by 2 square minus D by 2 minus small d whole square. So that you are getting, that is a capital D small d minus d square, or you can write this as a d into bracket capital D minus small d. In case of overrun is usually taken as 3 to 10 mm, and it is generally taken as 5 mm. When the cutter diameter is less than the width of the work, then approach length will be taken as 0.5 d. Then when the cutter diameter is greater than the width, then approach length will be taken as 1 by 2 into bracket d minus the root of small d square minus w square, that is. Overrun for the face milling, in both the cases 6 to the 10 mm, generally taken as 7 mm. Then you can have the problem, that is a keyway has to be cut in a spindle whose dimensions are 46 centimeter length and 5 centimeter diameter and 1 centimeter width. The cutter diameter is 13.25 centimeter if the cutter revolves at 120 rpm. And what is the time required to cut the 1 centimeter deep keyway at a feed of 0.05 centimeter per revolution of cutter, that is revolution of cutter. Here the given data is the diameter is 13.25 centimeter and small d, that is the depth of cut, equals to 1 centimeter. Length of the job is 4.6 centimeter and feed is 0.05 centimeter per revolution, and RPM is 120. Then added table travel you have to calculate, that is a small d into bracket d minus d. So that is 3.5 centimeter, and total table travel will be taken as the approach plus 0.5. Approach will be taken as 3.5 centimeter, or that is a 50 centimeter. The total table travel equals to approach plus 0.5. Then total length is, that is a 50 divided by 120 into 0.05, that is 8.33 minute. Then what is the feed? What is the feed per tooth for of a 32 teeth milling cutter of 40 centimeter diameter having a spindle speed of 75 rpm. The table feed is 30 centimeter per minute. And also find the time required to face the mill. A cast iron casting 1.5 meter long and 24 centimeter wide, that is take allowance take into the consideration. Then number of teeth equals to 32. Cutter diameter is 40. Width of the job is 24 centimeter. RPM is 75. Table feed is 30 centimeter per minute. Then table feed equals to tooth table speed feed equals to feed per tooth into number of teeth into RPM. It is a feed per tooth equals to table feed divided by number of teeth into RPM, that is 0.0125, and added table travel will be taken as half into bracket d under root of d square minus w square. So the total table travel is 150 plus 4 point plus 0.7, that is so 154 centimeter, and feed per tooth, that is and into number of teeth into RPM, that is 32. The total will be the 5.158, that is.